Hey you guys, welcome back. My name is Inbar and welcome back to Inbar Investment. Yes, it's the second week and the second week we're in Vegas. Say hi to the Bellagio. So guys, yes, I purchased the house last week. I got the confirmation. I'm right now in Vegas again to pick up the keys. I still don't know if I'm gonna rent it out or I still even don't know if I'm gonna live in it. So I will keep you updated anyway. Today we're gonna talk about the stock market and yes, it's about Vegas. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, today a new episode. Thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to talk about the stock market. Today I want you particularly to talk about the MGM stock market. Guys, I bought the MGM when it was around the $12, $11. It plunged back, it went up, it plunged back and it went up. It's like a roller coaster. It's really ridiculous what's going on with the MGM. But guys, I want to show you Las Vegas right now because honestly, before the whole Rona stuff, you know, and even last time when I was here, I didn't have time to go to the strip. But, you know, before the Rona, I used to be here every weekend, guys. And this is not the Vegas that I know. It's empty, guys. It's empty. Usually, you have here a line of cars all the way to the next block. Guys, it's crazy how quiet it is right now in Las Vegas. So, definitely when I'm here, I see how they're struggling. But still, when I went to the garage, and I'm going to show you soon, when I went to the car garage, guys, it was full. So maybe people are hiding inside. We definitely go once to one of the casinos. One of my favorites is actually the Paris over here. I'm in Paris. And then we're gonna see how the people are inside actually, and how the casinos operate. And after, we will go to the MGM. Not that one, but because MGM is like a big property management. I don't know, guys, comment down below. So anyway, I know the Bellagio over here is part of the MGM, and you know they have more couple casinos and hotels like the Mandalay Bay. But we definitely will go also to the Bellagio, guys. I want to show you how the Bellagio will look inside, and then we can talk later about the stocks. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm going now to the Paris, and then after I go to the Bellagio, and then we will talk more about the stocks. So guys, let's go. So right now we are in Paris, Las Vegas. Kind of hate it, love it. Long story for a different time though. Guys, I just want to show you how quiet it is. And doesn't matter it's the middle of the day. Guys, I know my Vegas. It doesn't matter when you come, what hour of the day, you always have people playing blackjack tables. Tables are running, and guys, I want to show you how quiet it is. It's unbelievable how quiet it is. Let me show you. The whole line that I'm showing you right now, guys, it used to be packed. I mean, you like literally you had to wait in line to get on the table. It's scary, but you know, I'm not worried because the stock market, I mean, like with the, for example, the MGM, I'm only buying MGM right now. I don't know, I have a feeling about MGM, but like I told you guys in my first videos that I'm not doing my research the way other people do. I'm doing the research about my feeling, about my experience. And what I can tell you is, it's like you betting on an airline right now. Is when you put on American Airlines, like I put, it will get up. After the Rona, everything will go back to normal. So I see this as an opportunity that you have really cheap stocks right now. They don't pay great dividends. I mean, like MGM paid me like a couple of cents, and I quite have a lot of shares of them. But that's okay, you know, because I see it in a long-term investment. Guys, it's unbelievable. I cannot believe my eyes. How quiet. Look at this. Oh my God, it's so hot in Vegas. Oh my God, it's ridiculous hot right now. And also, you know, when you wear the mask every time, you have to go to inside and wear it. It's just killing you. It's just so ridiculous hot right now, and it sucks. It really sucks. So I'm next to the Cosmopolitan, guys. We'll get also into the Cosmopolitan. I'm just wondering how the Cosmopolitan looks today, because it's just amazing, guys. I'm telling you guys, look how empty. It's just empty. The streets are empty in Las Vegas. Wow. Well, this is definitely not the Cosmopolitan I remember. And guys, we're talking only about 2 months ago. 2-3 months ago, maybe 4 months ago. Okay, maybe I overrated. Okay, wow guys, this is not the Cosmopolitan I know. This is crazy. Let me guys show you, it's empty at all. Empty tables, guys. Everywhere it's empty. So guys, from what I'm seeing is they're really trying to, I saw in the Cosmopolitan, I saw some plastics, you know, but not on every table. And I saw some tables that they're playing. You know, I couldn't film the whole thing because, you know, security came to me, hey listen, can you not film, blah, blah, blah. So I stopped my filming over there. But right now I'm on my way to the Bellagio. I mean, they're trying, you know. They also give free self-parking right now. The valet is not working, but you have free self-parking right now. So that's something good, you know, because usually when you come, if you're like me, I don't like to play that much, you know, I like to play $100 to $200, but like the minimum, I usually have to pay for my parking. But right now, when I come, I pay, you know, $50 per room, $30 per room for really good hotels, and you know, it's $12, $14 less a day. So that's good, you know. Here, guys, like I told you about the complimentary parking, but I think only for the MGM. I don't know if the other hotels do it. So let me see if I can show it to you. Hold on. Let me see. So you see, they removed the gates, so there are no gates, so you can drive past through it. You see? So yeah, that's something good they did. I like it. I mean, yeah, I like it. But I like, who doesn't like free stuff, you know? So guys, welcome to the Bellagio. Let's see how it goes. Wow. It's empty. Oh my god, guys, I cannot believe it. You know, look at the end. Usually they put all kinds of flowers, they put all kinds of things, but I guess because they're saving money right now, they don't do it, but we get there later. Let's see the casino first. There are some movements of people I see, but it's just empty. It's scary how empty. I'm thinking, I'm getting worried now about my stocks. But honest, it's like the airlines. You put money right now, it will go up. You know, I'm worried, I'm not worried, because it's a solid, great company, and they made so much money last year. I think they can go this whole year with losing money. I don't think it will break them. I think there's going to be also soon a vaccine, because guys, this is incredible. I don't know if you guys see it, but you see, it's all plastic. It's all plastic. I don't know, in my previous videos I didn't watch that good, but look, it's all plastics over here. But not all the tables are plastic. For example, all the tables over here are plastic, but if I see from far away that their tables are not with plastic. Guys, I cannot believe this is my Vegas. This is my lovely Vegas. It's ridiculous. Anyway, again, like I was telling you before, I'm not worried. The stock will rise up again. The stock will go up again because it has to. It has to. There's no other way. So right now I think it used to be last week at $12 or $18. I don't remember exactly because, like I told you guys, I'm not watching my stocks every day. I'm watching it once a week, once every 2 weeks, because I'm for the long-term investment. Even if it goes down or up, it's fine by me. It buys itself back every quarterly or every monthly. Every time I get the dividend for the company, it buys itself back. So I'm not worried about it. I mean, if I will get dividends, they will just buy back. But let me show you guys. Let me show you the, I don't know how they call it over here, but like an island or something. They used to put so much money in it. And right now what I see is they just put some flowers, you know, to make it pretty, but that's it. I'm gonna watch if I have just empty. All empty. Let me show you the parking garage, guys, because it's fun. The parking garage is quite full. You know what, next? So guys, watch this parking garage. Look how full it is. It's like all those red dots, you know? It's just full. It's amazing. Maybe the people are hiding in the rooms, I don't know. Or people also in the pool, you know, I didn't want to go to the pool because I don't feel comfortable with too much people around me. Because, you know, still we have to think about our safety first, about the Rona issue. Let's go find the car, because I'm about to get my keys to the new house. Guys, I just talked to my real estate agent. I cannot film when I'm going to get the keys. I can film after, but it's already really late. What we're going to do is we're going to get the keys, we're going to watch the house, and then we are bouncing back to Los Angeles because tomorrow I have a lot of work to do. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video, and please don't forget to smash the like button. I'm really new in YouTube. I'm really trying my best. I'm really trying to work hard on it. I really want more subscribers. So guys, don't forget to follow. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. You know, guys, please stay safe. That's the most important thing. And have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.